That's the expression you want.
Hey everybody, this is the second episode of Creator vs. Pro, where we take one creator and one pro and let the creator do what the pro does best. This time, for the creator, we have...
Whoops, don't break that. Hi everybody, I'm back. And as you can see, I'm afraid of damaging furniture, so I didn't fling that guy out of that window. Okay, cool. Now, since we had a great response on the last episode, we decided why not make another episode and bring a semi-creator back. So here I am.
Anyway, the format for this episode is that one half of the model's face will be done by Seerath, and the other half will be done by Silverio. And the model is... Who's the model?
Divya, I think it's you.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh,
Okay.
now I get it.
Wish me luck.
Hi, my name is Seerath and I'm a makeup artist based in Goa. I do editorials, bridals, ad films, short films and all that kind of creative stuff. I started off as a beauty blogger, but eventually I started getting work. So yeah, I'm full-fledged makeup artist right now.
I know you've not met Silverio for long, but what were your first impressions of Silverio?
He seems to be a very decent guy. Doesn't look like he knows a lot about makeup, so this is going to be interesting. Exciting, yeah.
What are your expectations of this episode?
I don't know, just some fun and hopefully we make you look all quirky and nice. I'm very excited to see what he's gonna do because he's gonna kind of replicate my style. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Hi guys, so we are going for a very nice dewy skin for
Hi, I am Divya. No, I'm kidding.
Divya, and I am thinking, I'm not sure if I want to add some color because y'all can see she has these beautiful highlights. So I was thinking I have this colorful palette. I was thinking I'll give her like a nice bright inner corner. I'm not sure about it, but let's see how it goes.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
We'll just start with toning. So basically I'll be doing the left side of her face and Silverio will be
Doing the right.
yeah.
But he will not do me right. I can feel it in my bones.
Go ahead. Go without makeup for the day.
Hey guys, so I'm back for another tutorial and this time I'm deciding to show you what I do.
Now that that's done, next step would be moisturizing. Go ahead and add the moisturizer. You can also use your bare hands and next, Divya has slight discoloration like under her eyes, so we are gonna color correct it using this peach orange color corrector. Not necessary, but I would like to show you all. And let's see, maybe we can go with this purple on our eyes.
Meanwhile,
never just do the face, always go on the neck too.
My neck skin not only jiggle, it folds.
Okay.
one eternity later.
Done! And we're done! Yay! So basically, the inspiration was Divya's hair.
Ooh, nice.
And Divya, do you want to take a look?
Yes. You look so... I have dewy skin. Oh, I look so nice. Purple and blue. Oh, just
Exactly
like,
like your hair.
That's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I think it's Silverio's turn now. You guys are excited?
Are you all?
Bam, 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 bam. What the? They didn't do anything to you. She just punched you in an eye. I just punched in the other eye and we're even.
You can't punch me in the other eye.
Take away all our rights. Wow. That's something for the eyes. Got that much. Wait! Oh! Wait, no, but there's nothing done to your eyelashes. Wait, so out of curiosity, you've already like done the base foundation part of my side of her face?
No.
So I gotta start with that. Where's the little triangular sponge thing? Is there a triangular sponge thing?
There is.
Yes. I wasn't even looking at that. Wait. Thing, the other thing. God, I don't even know what I'm gonna put next with this. Have I hit gold? It's not getting on the brush. Whack. I don't even know what the F I'm doing, but stupid bit. Also, you've turned shiny, which is probably me not in the right direction, but it's okay. Keep your eyes closed as much as possible.
Sure. That's my aim.
That's what she said. Dude, I'll make her like the album cover of somebody that you used to know. Shane, remember when you said this was easy? Kiss my ass. So we start with purple.
You're poking me, Silverio.
That's what she said. Wow.
To the man.
The man's with the man, okay? Don't ask about the man. Don't question the man.
Silverio!
I was trying to get it into the little...
I understand that. Don't bonk me.
Flashback.
Can you get the blue marker?
End of flashback.
There's so many concealers. What are they concealing?
Your list?
Yeah.
So the marks, that's not usual.
Okay, so it's not for makeup, it's for marks. Okay, got it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
You know what? F this. I'm really afraid of this because I feel like I'm almost done with the Mona Lisa. You look like a little tribal person.
Okay.
You look like what Christopher Columbus saw when he landed in America. Ta-da? No, I mean, ta-da!
Yay.
Ta-da! I'm done, okay,
That's
I get it. Yeah, that's me.
Okay.
I don't know what's the other 100 things that she's put in there.
This part is Seerath. This part is Silverio.
In fact, Silverio's part matches Silverio's side of your hair. So Silverio is happy.
With both sides doing their halves of makeup on my face. And now we're going to ask Seerath, what does she think about Silverio Souza?
Honestly, it's a good effort, I must say.
Yes!
Yeah, I mean, it's quite identical, to be honest. But what I didn't like is the marker part. Did you know that? Use marker on your eyes. That's not makeup.
And that's the expression you want.
What? Other than that, it's all okay.
I thought you'd find out in the after video, but I guess she gave it to me.
I need to see this! Okay. What?
Hey, it's very close. It's very close.
Kind of close.
It's very close.
I mean, you got the colors.
Yeah, and in fact, my shade of blue matches this side of your hair.
Okay, we'll give you that. But why are you? Why does it look like I have a blue vein popping out of my eye?
Because you're probably very annoyed. After you calm down, the blue vein will disappear.
This side of the face Seerath has done is very well because, well, it matches my hair, it's blended, there's concealer, there's foundation, there's highlighter, there's blush, while this side has stuff and apparently a marker.
Look, man.
But,
I knew you didn't.
He did a very good job. He
Also, I
actually
knew that
put
you
in
didn't
a lot
mean-
of effort.
That is true. I did. That was awesome.
He tried his level best to try and figure out the things here. So
At least
all
I didn't
in
use
all,
lipstick on her face.
I mean, there was lipstick.
No, I mean, I didn't use it to paint your eye. Fortunately, I said at least I did. Next time, that's a great idea. Instead of marker, let's consider lipstick.
And that's a wrap. That's the end of part 2. Tune in for the next episode. Bye.
How am I doing so far, boys?
Hey everybody, welcome back to the second episode of Creator vs. Pro, where we take...
Whoops. You wanted a gentler brush.
I know, but why are you yelling?
Sorry. There was someone.
Yo! What do you mean?
Also, why do you have a black eye? Did they hurt you? Did they hurt you?
I'm gonna hurt you now, can you go? This is the end of part
Just checking
2.
if it's working. Ta-da!
Security.